Hi, my name is Tom, and today I'm going to show you how to invest on Funderbeam. Now, before you can invest, you need to sign up and verify your account. If you haven't done so, you can check out our video on how just here. But once you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. To see all the companies currently raising, click Invest at the top of the screen. On this page, you will see all the companies that are currently raising funds, how much they are raising, and a short intro to what they do. For this demo, we have created the company DemoCo. If you are interested to learn more, simply click the card. This is the syndicate page and includes all the information the company has made available regarding the potential investment. On the Campaign tab, you can see a written introduction to the company. This includes campaign details, like the problem the company is solving, information about the team, how the company will use the funds, and more. On the Terms tab, you can see the specifics of the investment, including the instrument used, legal information about the fundraising company, and the planned evaluation. If you have any questions, you can ask these by going to the Discussion tab. When you are ready to invest, simply click Invest on the big green button. From here, you can create an indication to let the lead investor and founders know how much you are interested to invest. This is not legally binding, but will be used for making your investment proposal. Once you have submitted your indication, this will be visible both on the syndicate page and on your dashboard. Once the campaign has reached its target, it will be closed and you will be sent an investment proposal. You'll be notified via email and you'll be able to access your proposal on your dashboard. Here, you can see the final terms of the investment, and if you are happy, accept the proposal. Once you do this, you are legally committing to make the investment. After the company has collected the funds from the investors, you'll be able to see it under Investments on your dashboard. Once the syndicate is open for trading, you can buy and sell your tokens on our secondary market, allowing you to increase or decrease your stake in the company.